Hey, my paper crafting friends, it's Dawn Bourget, Dawn's Creative Chalet, and Stampin' Up. How you guys doing today? I just wanted to touch base because I've had some questions about some things with the promotions that are going on with Stampin' Up during October. It's hard to believe it's October. It's crazy, right? Just crazy. Last I knew it was August. I don't know what happened with September. But anyway, promotions for October, all of October. First of all, we have the kits sale. So the kits collection, not including Paper Pumpkin, is up to 30% off all kits. Wahoo! Even the brand new 2 kits that were introduced a couple days ago on October 1st. That's pretty awesome, right? So if you are like me and like to sometimes just craft and have an easy crafting experience where you don't have to pull out all the stops, kits might be what you're looking for, or maybe you're beginning into this hobby, or maybe you just want something to be able to easily craft and put together pretty quick on a cool winter's night. I know. I'm not looking forward to it. The SNOW will be here and I'm not looking forward to it, but hey, what can we do, right? So they also make great gifts. So stock up now up to 30% off on those. And those are found in my online store. Or give me a call directly and I can help you with that. Also, speaking of Paper Pumpkin, if you have never ever tried Paper Pumpkin before, Stampin' Up! Is offering 40% off of the October kit if you sign up by October the 10th. Yeah, I had to think about that. October the 10th. So sign up by October the 10th to get 40% off the October Paper Pumpkin. You must be a very first time subscriber to be eligible for this particular sale. That's going on, like I said, until the 10th. Yeah. I don't know what I was thinking. Anyway, it's a subscription based kit and you can stop it at any time, but reach out to me. I can help you with that if you have any questions. And then the last thing is the biggest, I say the best for last, and that is our starter kit special. I like to call it the ultimate bundle. I know people all the time are asking me, how can I save money when I make my purchase with you? And I always say, the starter kit. The starter kit is the best deal, always. But right now during October, they have literally sweetened the deal. It's our treat. It is no trick. And they are offering the starter kit for $99 and you get to choose. It's all customizable on what you want in your kit. $155 a product. That's pretty awesome, right? So along with the savings on that, so you're getting, what is it, 56 extra dollars a product. You get free shipping, which is another about $17-ish on shipping. They're going to throw in a Paper Pumpkin kit of their choice to use, so you could try out, test drive Paper Pumpkin. That's a $25 value. Then they're also throwing in some business supplies, some catalogs if you want to share them with your family and your friends. And that is a $21 value-ish. They'll both throw in the annual catalogs and the mini holiday catalogs as well. So all of it right there. So anyway, that's going on all of October. Like I said, it's totally customizable. So you can put in clearance rack items. You can put in the scrapbooking line that we just were introduced to. You can also put in anything in the online store that's in the annual catalog, the mini catalog, and here's the best part, okay? So right now during October, as demonstrators, we're able to pre-order some products that'll be introduced to customers in November. One of them is Valentine themed stuff, and the other one is, I'm just gonna say, utterly adorable. Okay, those are hints right there. So anyway, if you're interested in that stuff, you would need to contact me directly to help you with that, because I don't think that they're going to show that stuff where you go to start filling your cart with your kit. I'm not real positive. So just contact me if you are interested in getting the brand new stuff. What else was I going to tell you about that? Anyway, I don't remember. I'm just really super excited about it. And you can test drive being a demonstrator right on through March of 2025. Isn't that crazy? So for 6 months, and you can get the discount automatically as soon as you become a demonstrator. You get the discount that we get. So it'll be 20% off your purchases. So if you are a savvy shopper, you like coupons, this is a really good coupon for you to grab up. But I'm going to go ahead and put the information right above so you have some links as far as my online store if you want to grab kits. Oh, by the way, you could put kits, the kits collection that are on sale. You could put those in your starter kit. And that way you're stretching your dollars even more because they are on sale. See? So anyway, savvy shoppers, rejoice. And if you have any questions, let me know. I'd be very happy to help. In the meantime, you guys have a great week. World Card Making Day is coming up along with my birthday, which is so cool that it's on my birthday. Isn't that awesome? But anyway, have a great week and happy card making day. Bye-bye.